3 days ago, I asked you guys what color should I paint my brake calipers, and 61% of you guys said red, 18% of you guys said yellow, 11% of you guys said black, and 11% of you guys said white. Now, typically I would do red on this car because the interior is red, the emblems are red, the Honda Civic Si is red. That's their color for this make and model of this vehicle, but I'm feeling a little bit more spicy today, actually. So today we're switching it all up. We're not even going with red, the most typical color that I will actually put on this car. And no, today I want them boys to see me from a mile away. So today we are going with high yellow. I don't know why I said high yellow, but today we're painting the brake calipers yellow. I know a lot of you are gonna say that's gonna look hideous and ugly. Maybe, but at the same time, who cares? I'm gonna get new brakes, calipers, and brake rotors in the future, so I might as well have some fun with it now. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So if you're not, subscribed to this wonderful channel, you're wasting your time. And if you are watching this video, not hitting the subscribe button, you're still wasting your time. Like, this about to look like money. So yeah. Yellow. Let's go. You already can see that I have did all the masking because it's gonna take a long time to mask everything up while recording this video. I did not want to do that. So, be honest with you, this is the best masking I have did when it comes to painting anything for any car. So, first thing we're gonna do first is clean these brake calipers, get all the debris and dust off of them, and then we're gonna start painting because I already got the hard part out of the way, and that was the masking part. So yeah, gonna get this beautiful, awesome over here. The best thing, if you don't have awesome in your stash, you're basically wasting your time because this is used for so many things you can do with this awesome. Actually, I washed all my rags too, so I'm kind of happy about that. That's one of my biggest things I do not do. I do not wash my rags. So let them build up with dust and dust. So we're gonna spray. Actually, I'm gonna spray this one, and I'm gonna spray the back one too at the same time. Just get all this debris off before we start painting. Just let it sit. And also, if the audio sounds different, I have bought, my bad, this is also kind of strong too. I have bought a Rode wireless mic. Little investment for the channel. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute. Actually, I might as well hit the other side too. I'm pretty excited about this color. I know some of you can be like, what in the world are you thinking? Just go typical red, like it's gonna match everything. I'm at the point, nah, I'm good. I'm good, bro. Probably. We're gonna let it sit right quick and then we'll get back to the business and we'll wipe that side down, then we wipe this side down. Like doing this install, it's not that hard. The main takeaway is masking your station. When you're doing this, I do not want to go back over and do this. I'm a one and done type person. hope you guys are loving this audio like I am, because I'm so happy. And this happened on a little scroll in Target, because I literally walked into a gold mine. This was actually the last one left over there too. So like, this has to be. I'm trying to have the best audio, because sometimes I think my videos are very nice. At the same time, my audio sucks so much, especially the ones I do outside. And basically when you do installs like these, it's typically outside. All right, so I got everything cleaned up. Now it's time to put down the first coat. I think I'm gonna start the first two first. Passenger and driver side, then I work my way to the rear and do passenger backside and do passenger, oh my gosh, I messed everything up. Driver backside and passenger backside next. So then we can see how this first coat will look. Actually, how it's gonna look there, because I'm pretty excited for this. Do a light coat. Okay. It's dry. Oh, hold on. I do not want to overspray my coilovers at all. So let me get the tape right quick. Because I don't want yellow coilovers. Okay. Also, we'll let that sit for a while. So the last time I did do this, I do remember it was a little bit hotter in the day, and also I did it actually out there. So it's gonna really take a minute for this actually to dry. And once it gets dry, I'm gonna go back over with a second layer, because right now it's not really sticking to the metal. So that's one thing you got to be really really cautious about. I know I wiped everything down, double wiped it, triple wiped it actually. Well, awesome, but at the same time I need to make sure if it's going to actually stick to the metal. So we're just going to give it a second. It should be able to, it's going to start sticking to the metal, and then we can go with our second layer, and that's when it's really going to start looking actually like paints instead of runs. So I gotta give some time, and I just wait and we get back to it. You got the Bumblebee yellow. All right, so we'll let that dry right quick. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry right quick. My biggest concern is these spots where the paint is not actually grabbing it. So we're gonna let it sit for a minute and then we'll come back. So I probably gonna give it about, it's 258 right now. I'm probably gonna give it about 310 maybe. So I get enough dry out here because it's not really hot, you know, so then we'll come back and we'll throw down the third layer on this side. I know the reason why this is not sticking like I want to, because I really didn't prep the surface. I really wiped it down with Austin, that was it. I should have used some sandpaper, but I have 80 grit light. So I did this like 4 times already. So I'm doing light 80 grit right here, and hopefully it will start sticking. Yeah, I told my girlfriend what I was doing. She's like, you didn't sand it? Or you didn't prime it? I'm like, no, I just went straight into it and just started painting. So what we got is a little 80 grit. So we're just gonna do a little light little sand right quick. They can really stick to that surface. So before time has passed, and I'm gonna show you guys the process where I'm at. So the front is majority done. It's just a couple more coats I'm gonna have to hit, but my main issue is the back right now, and I already know what the reason is. It's because I didn't really do a quality prep, but so what I am gonna do, I'm gonna go back and prime it, then respray it. But I'm not gonna do it today though. I'm not gonna do it today. I'm gonna wait till this like super dry. I'm gonna go back and hit it again. It's not that bad. So this is the only part that's gonna be visible. So this is part right here, these little specks right here, and especially in the back right here, you can see that it's not really grabbing the paint due to my improper prepping. So right here, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna do like one more layer right here, then we should be good. But in the back, like I said before, on this side, it's not really that bad, just these spots right here. But my main concern is right here where people are really gonna look, but it's brake calipers. They're not going to really be judging the brake caliper. So in the meantime, I'm gonna let that really dry. Then I'm gonna come back and finish it. In the meantime, I really want to do is actually clean my inside my wheels, because I haven't cleaned these in a while, and I'm gonna get some soap and water and really scrub the wheel. Sometimes you gotta do something else. Because sometimes if you just keep on thinking about a project, you just gotta walk away. And it will get better. It's not bad though, but I'm gonna fix my mistakes. It's not like something oh, I gotta do it today. Come back. I mean, that's the whole thing when it comes to working on cars, is trial and error. Trial and error. Because in the day, boys, I did not go to school for it. And everything, just trial and error. These definitely need a wash. Definitely need a wash. There's no point washing the back if you don't get the front. Actually, I got a trick. Let's put that right there. Then we'll spray it. Gonna be so much black stuff come off this. I can already tell the difference. I want to wash my car if I have time. But my biggest thing is making sure that paint sticks on that. What I really need to do, to be honest, I need to ceramic coat these. I should have ceramic coated them when I had the chance when I first got them. But sometimes you'd be so happy to get new wheels, you just want to throw them on without prepping them. And I got to do a better job of that, because that's my biggest thing is when it comes to wheels and basically everything else, the prep time is always the worst time for me, because I don't like prepping nothing. I like to get straight to the point and get over with. And you can see today my mistakes. You know, prepping is a huge thing when it comes to anything. So don't be like me. Prep before you start anything. A proper prep will save you in the long run. That being said, let's start. I'm gonna hit the back. On my way off. That being said, I'm gonna hit the back on both sides, probably 2 more coats, and then the front is perfectly fine to me. Like, I don't care about the front anymore. The final product, like I told you guys, that yellow will pop. Looks so good. Far away. It was very nice. All right, so this has come to the very end of the video. Hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys like the color. I know how to go back and fix it, because it, like I said before, my prep was awful. My prep was horrible, so I really didn't do a proper prep on it. That's why some of the paint is sticking, some of the paint is not sticking to the metal, to the brake calipers. But yeah, guys, I'm out of here today. I was gonna wash my car. It's pollen season, and once pollen comes, it's just so hard. Like, you think you're doing a good deed putting water on it, then it comes back tomorrow, like, I got you. So I'm just let it ride for right now, then I'll wash it down later. But I'm out here for the day, guys. Like always, stay active, keep going. I don't even know what my outros be anymore. I be forgetting the words, but I'm out here. See you guys.